Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best smart water valve? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best smart water valve that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, Tokatuker Motorized Ball Valve. Tokatuker is a budget-friendly choice of brand for a variety of smart home devices such as locks, alarm systems, and even Wi-Fi water valves. The motorized ball valve from Tokatuker is a dedicated ball valve controller that can be installed on almost any ball valve having long leverage. As the installation process is DIY-friendly, you might not even need professional help while installing the device. With a little time and patience, you will be able to install the device by yourself on 1/2, 3/4, and 1 ball valves without needing any special tools. Once installed, you can enjoy truly contactless control with the Smart Life mobile app. It allows users to turn on/off the valve from anywhere. If you want even more ease of access, you can include it in the voice-controlled category of smart devices in your home via Alexa or Google Home smart home systems. Within the package, you will find the Wi-Fi smart valve, a power adapter, an installation bracket, and an instruction manual for ease of installation. Furthermore, you can upgrade the system with a gas and water detector to alert you in case of such instances. Now number 4, EcoNet Controls Wi-Fi Water Valves. The EcoNet Controls might be a premium and more functional device compared to other options, but it still features a straightforward installation method that does not require any additional tool or plumbing process. Most importantly, you won't need to mess with the tubing or the valve to install the EcoNet Controls. It fits over any existing ball valve pipe as the supported tube sizes are 1/2 to 1.5. And with the dedicated controller, you can manage the Wi-Fi water valve via various smart home systems such as Samsung SmartThings, Wink, Nexia, Control4, and many more. The EcoNet Controls offers an intelligent control on the movement at the time of turning the valve on or off, which prevents any physical damage to the valve. Therefore, it is an ideal choice for the valves that are old, tight, and comparatively creaky. Also, the EVC200HC SML is Z-Wave Plus certified so that it will be ideal if you already have a Z-Wave system set up at your home. Our third product is AURIK Smart Wi-Fi Water Valve Shutoff Timer. The AURIK Wi-Fi Water Valve is a great addition to your smart home system if your house has ball valve installation for water or gas connections. With this device, you can take full control of these valves and manage them remotely, along with the standard Smart Life app. It also supports control via Alexa Google Home Assistant. This is quite a versatile device as it can be installed on various connections such as water or gas valves, electric control switches, and even natural liquid or tap gas valves. Thus, you can automate a lot of processes with the AURIK Smart Wi-Fi Water Valve. There's a specially designed clamping ring provided on the Wi-Fi valve that offers compatibility with 1/2, 3/4, 1/1/4, and even 1/2 tubes. You can also allow your family members to control the device at once as the valve supports multiple connections at once. Now our second product is VATICA Smart Water Valve. The VATICA Smart Water Valve is a great option if you are wondering whether you will get decent smart features on an affordable unit or not. This is the cheapest choice you can find in the market and still offers great features for the price. First of all, it supports voice access thanks to Amazon's Alexa Assistant and Google's Smart Home Tech. Along with smartphones, you can also utilize these features via smart speakers and smart TV. The Smart Water Valve is specifically designed for ball valves and supports 1/2 to 1/4 ball valve pipes. As it is backed with application control, you can install the application on various phones and get multiple access points for the valve. The installation of the VATICA Smart Water Valve is pretty easy and supports both old and new pipeline designs. And now our last choice is Owfeel Wi-Fi Smart Valve. Our top choice for the best Wi-Fi water valve is the Owfeel Wi-Fi Smart Valve. This unit offers complete remote control over your regular water valve through the Smart Life mobile application. You can control the functionality of the water valve even when you are miles away from your home. Fortunately, it also has integration with Amazon's Alexa and Google's Smart Home system so that you can simply provide voice commands instead of managing the parameters manually. And if some barrier is preventing you from using the wireless feature, you can still control the valve manually via the provided pull ring. With Owfeel Wi-Fi Smart Valve, You can also set up a particular schedule thanks to the automated functionality which you can use to open or close the valve at specific times throughout the day. It is compatible with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which is pretty common nowadays as almost everyone owns an internet connection paired with a router. The Owfeel Wi-Fi smart valve can be used for a variety of applications, such as the main supply controller. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.